Let us begin by exploring the states of matter, which describe the physical forms in which substances exist. The most familiar states are solids, liquids, and gases. Each state is distinguished by the arrangement, movement, and energy of its particles. First, solids. In solids, particles are tightly packed in a fixed, orderly arrangement, which gives solids a definite shape and volume. For example, a diamond is a solid in which carbon atoms are arranged in a rigid crystalline lattice, giving it remarkable hardness. Ice is another example, where water molecules are held in a structured pattern, maintaining its shape at temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius. Solids can be further categorized into crystalline and amorphous types. Crystalline solids have particles arranged in a highly ordered, repeating pattern called a crystal lattice. This regular structure gives them distinct geometric shapes and sharp melting points. Examples include diamond, table salt, NaCl, and quartz. Amorphous solids lack a long-range ordered structure. Their particles are arranged more randomly, so they do not have a sharp melting point and often soften over a range of temperatures. Examples include glass, rubber, and plastic. Next, we move from solids to liquids. Liquids have particles that are closely packed but can move past one another. This allows liquids to flow and take the shape of their container while retaining a fixed volume. Water in a glass and coffee in a cup are all examples. The movement of particles gives liquids fluidity, while intermolecular forces prevent them from expanding like gases. Now, let's examine gases. Gases consist of particles that are far apart and move rapidly in all directions. This results in neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume, and gases expand to fill any container. Examples include oxygen gas in the atmosphere, steam from boiling water, and helium in balloons. Matter can also exist in the plasma state, where gas particles are ionized and highly energetic. It forms when a gas is energized so much that electrons break free from atoms, creating charged particles. Plasma is found in the sun, stars, and lightning.